Thought for the day, Monday, August the 19th. Be a welcoming place for all. Accept one another, then, for the sake of God's glory, as Christ accepted you. Romans chapter 15, verse 7. Jesus showed us that loving means accepting others as they are, just as He accepted each one of us. Accepting others with their likes, their ideas, their defects, their diversity. And this means making room for them inside ourselves, expelling from our heart every prejudice, judgment, and rejection instinct. Jesus was sent by the Father to save man, every man. He destroyed hatred and brought down separation, in that He introduced into history a new force, the only one capable of helping us overcome all our divisions. How can we live this word? Accepting our neighbor with all their rights, right to life, work, fair salary, home, freedom, and their demands for respect, justice, understanding, affection. We never give God more glory than when we strive to accept our neighbor, because in this way we lay the foundation of fraternal communion. And nothing gives God more joy than true unity among men. Chiara Lubich, excerpts from the commentary on the Word of Life of December 1986.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.